Guys, for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang 5 best digital bank according to their interest rate. And magugulat kayo kung sino ang may pinakamalaking interest rate na ino-offer sa savings account. So if you want to know that, samahan niyo ako, sit back, and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron na akong experience at ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so 2023, parang it's the year na naglabasan ang mga digital banks and nagkaroon sila ng maraming promotion in getting more customer sa platform nila. Nagkaroon sila ng promotion ng mga 6% interest rate, yung iba 10% interest rate, then umabot ng 11, 12, up to 15% interest rate per annum. Di ba nakakagulat itong mga promotion nila for the interest rate? Just for us, napiliin yung bangko nila para doon tayo mag-save sa kanila. And i-share ko nga sa inyo ang 5 banks na may pinakamataas na interest rate sa savings. So, simulan natin sa pang-5 natin, which is si Maya Bank. Si Maya Bank ay may 3.5% base interest rate, meaning wala kang gagawin kahit na ano at magsasave ka lang, mag-earn ng pera mo ng 3.5% per annum. Ibig sabihin yan, kailangan na 1 year yung pera mo doon sa bank na yon to earn that 3.5%. However, dahil si Maya ay may daily crediting ng interest rate, so kahit papano yung 1 day na worth of interest ay makukuha mo na, which is yan naman ang kinagandahan ni Maya. Isa pa kay Maya is graduated ang interest rate niya. Basically, meron siyang promotion na up to 14% per annum interest rate. Gagawa nga lang kayo ng mga mission, like gagamitin niyo yung Maya app, mag-spend kayo, so on and so forth. So kung nagbabayad ka ng bills mo and kaya mong i-meet yung tier nila para maka 14%, well and good, wala kang extra charge na babayaran. Pero kung gagastos ka para i-meet lang yung 14%, kalimutan nyo na itong 14% per annum kasi meron pa namang iba. Additionally, ang InstaPay transfer kay Maya ay may bayad. Though meron silang promotion na ibabalik daw nila yung InstaPay, but it's just a promotion. Okay, let's move na sa ating pang-apat, which is si Cbank. Si Cbank ay may base interest na 4.5% per annum. Apparently, walang promotion si Cbank na you can increase the percentage. But, isa sa kinagandahan ni Cbank ay meron siyang 15 free InstaPay transfers sa loob ng 1 linggo. And mag-replenish ang InstaPay transfer every Monday. Isa pa sa kinagandahan ni Cbank ay daily crediting ang interest rate niya. However, you must note na merong cap ang 4.5% na interest rate na hanggang 300,000 pesos na deposit lang. So let's move na sa ating pangatlo, which is si GoTyme. Yan, si GoTyme ay may 5% per annum na interest rate. Wala kang kailangang gawing mission, as in magsisave ka lang, lalagay mo yung pera mo at mag-earn yan ng 5% interest. However, si GoTyme ay monthly crediting ng interest income. Ang ibig sabihin naman nito, hindi siya nagre-rely sa daily balance mo. Kung hindi, magre-rely siya sa daily average balance. Meaning, yung average balance ng account mo sa loob ng 1 buwan. Yun ang gagamitin nila para makuha ang interest rate divided by the number of days, which is 30 or 31. So, walang promotion na kailangan mong gawin para ma-increase ang iyong interest rate. Pero si GoTyme ay merong 3 times na InstaPay free transfer every week, which is also magre-refresh every Monday. Okay, let's move na sa ating pangalawa, which is si RCBC Discartec. Si RCBC Discartec naman ay may 6.5% per annum na interest rate. Ang laki niya, di ba? 6.5%. And medyo matagal ng 6.5% to. Hindi nagbabago, hindi bumababa. Though meron tayong kailangan tandaan with Discartec kasi may cap ang malaking interest rate nila na 6.5%. So kapag nagdeposito ka ng 49,700 pesos, yan lamang ang iinteresan ni Discartec ng 6.5% per annum. Kung may ganung pera ka naman at nagsisave ka lang naman, edi might as well na ilagay mo kay Discartec para kahit papano mag-earn yan ng 6.5%. Pero kung lumagpas na ng 6.5%, hindi na yan mag-i-interest ng 6.5% per annum. Ang interest income naman dito ay nakabase sa average daily balance din, which is also credited on a monthly basis. And also, we should note that walang free InstaPay transfer. So, kung nandiyan ang pera mo at ilalabas mo, you may need to pay for the InstaPay fee. Last but not the least, yung number 1 natin, which has 15% interest rate per annum for their promotion. So, napakataas. And for the base interest, 5%. So, sino ba to? Well, sino pa ba? Di si CIMB Bank. So, we should note that si CIMB Bank is a foreign company na nanggaling sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So, from there, pumasok sila dito sa Philippine market and inintroduce nila ang CIMB Bank. Okay, again, ulitin ko, meron silang promotion na 15% per annum. And this is not capped. Meaning, kahit magkano yung pera mo dyan, will earn a 15% interest. Well, this is based on an average daily balance. Meaning, hindi daily credited ang interest. So, hihintayin nyo na matapos ang isang buwan bago nyo makikita ang interest income na ibibigay sa inyo. And syempre, it is also subject to income tax. Isa pa sa kinagandahan ng CIMB is free InstaPay transfer. So, hindi natin poproblemahin yung InstaPay fee na 8 pesos, 10 pesos to 15 pesos. Libreng-libre tayo makapag-transfer out ng pera natin from CIMB. However, kung hindi nyo naman i-avail ang promotion, well, nasa 5% ang interest rate ng savings ni CIMB per annum. Medyo mataas na rin, katulad na rin siya ni GoTime, di ba? So, kung hindi mo susundin yung promotion, hindi mo i-follow yung promotion nila, kikita pa rin ang pera mo ng 5%. So, ngayon na-discuss na natin ang 5 bangko na may matataas na interest rate. For my question of the day, sa 5 na-discuss nating banks, alin dyan ang bangko na ginagamit nyo and bakit? So let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance pa rin kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating December GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan maglagay ng hashtag #road to75k subs and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel for your chance na manalo ng isang cellphone once we reach the 75,000 subscriber mark. So yun lang muna po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo. So shoutout kay at Marie Jean UE7TB. Sabi niya, always know your due date and pay on time po. Thank you for the very useful recommended tips, Sir Pat. Looking forward for the next video. Always watching your vlogs, Sir Pat, all the way here from Ilocos po. Hashtag grow to 75k subs. At Marie Jean UE7TB, maraming salamat po for the support na binibigay niyo po sa aking channel. So thank you so much. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again, guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!